Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I got this braid out. Right now I am applying Eleni Chris BoostaMin Treatment, which is like a deep conditioner. I already washed and conditioned my hair and detangle it, and right now I'm just showing you guys how my hair looked after I rinsed out the treatment. And now I am going in with their ColorPro treatment leave-in treatment spray to style my hair, and then I'm going in with their CurliMin defining leave-in cream, and then I'm finishing off with their pure treatment oil, and then I'm just going to braid my hair. Now my hair is fully dry. I am using the same pure treatment oil as before. I'm using this to help give my hair some shine. And now I'm just picking out my hair. And that is it for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and bye.